Hey guys, it's Amanda. What's up? Today we are starting our pack with me, prep with me for Copenhagen and the UK. I'm going away for 1.5 months in a few days. It's March 22nd today. I leave March 26th and I am so busy leading up to my flight. Last night I started to put aside some clothes that I knew I wanted to play around with styling. My packing process starts with styling outfits because I like to pack full outfits with photos to reference, basically. My room is currently very messy. There's clothes everywhere, which you cannot see. I just filmed my spring fashion essentials video, so I thought while my room is in this state, which I will show you in a second, I may as well just start playing with outfits. It's currently blizzarding in Toronto right now, but Copenhagen is gonna be a little bit warmer. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be warm, but it will be warmer than Toronto. So this is kind of my first moment this year styling warmer weather outfits. I just wanted to start off this vlog. It's definitely gonna be filmed over the course of a few days. I'm bringing a big checked bag and then a carry-on bag, so I definitely have a lot of room. I've already started a little note on my phone of things that have come to mind that I definitely want to bring, and I think there's 7 pairs of shoes in this note. That is where I struggle the most. Honestly, styling outfits helps me narrow down the number of shoes and also purses and coats. I think I'm just gonna start trying on the things I've pulled. I want to see if I can get an outfit going with this red top. I've never worn it. I'm definitely gonna try styling this Dolce & Gabbana gray cashmere top. I think that top would be really cute with these. I also pulled this Le Chateau white and black really scoop neck t-shirt sweater that I got off of Poshmark last winter. I've worn this top with these pants quite a lot, but I'm kind of thinking I could reimagine it and do a maxi skirt moment with this top. So I'm gonna try that. I already know I'm bringing this skirt, so I wanna just play around with some combinations. This, I just pulled it from my closet. I haven't worn this year yet. I wore it so much 2 years ago. This knit Roxy sweater, it has this plunge v-neck, but even this sweater with this skirt would be really cute. And I'm gonna be very honest with myself in regard to comfortability and warmth, because last time I was in Copenhagen, like, I'm wearing a hoodie to dinner, like I'm cold. If enough outfits work with my tall black boots from Vagabond, I'm gonna bring these. This is like the ultimate test right now because currently the only thing I will be wearing with these boots is a short skirt or a midi skirt. I don't like the look of pants over these just because like this doesn't give anything. It's all in the height and how wide they are around my calves. Obviously wouldn't wear pants with these, and then a maxi skirt just looks like cringe. That's where we're at right now. Let's embark on this journey together. This sweater is actually the first thing I'm gonna put on. Don't love it. I love the way these boots look with this skirt. I just do feel like I always end up doing a black or dark outfit when I'm wearing these boots, which I don't love. Like, this isn't really me that much. I actually don't think I'm a huge fan of how this is kind of heathered with the v-neck. It's a bit much for me. I don't like this at all. This is one of the most flattering tops that I have, and I love this together, but I feel like the boots are just not my vibe. Like, I think they look good. I just feel way too like rock and roll vibes with the boots on, if you know what I mean. I'm definitely bringing this jacket. I love the collar, and it's honestly really wearable because it's super warm, but still cute for a night out. I don't know, I'm just so unsure about black and white outfits. Like, again, I don't think this looks bad. It's just not very exciting to me. It's just obvious, you know what I mean? But if I had heels, pointed heels, I would like it more. I actually kind of love this because there's black throughout the sweater as well. I'm thinking of doing my nude bag, which I actually think I quite like this. These are the 2 bags that I'm gonna be bringing. Comment down below, honestly, if you would prefer the black bag or the nude bag, because I feel like last year or even like 2 months ago I would say the black bag, but I kind of feel like the nude bag, I don't know if the bubble tea charm is really doing it with this, but like the volume, the black with the nude matching throughout, I think it's really cute. This is a really realistic outfit for the temperature too, I feel. Okay, I'm gonna go take a photo of this outfit so I remember it. You would think, like, obviously you'll remember the outfit, but when I'm looking in my suitcase and there's I don't even know. It's just a mess. It's really nice to just have an album and be like, okay, I'm gonna wear that tonight. Whenever I find a base layer that I like, aka skirt, jacket, boots, I like to switch out just to get as many variations as possible. My black cardigan I'm for sure bringing, and I know over the bubble skirt, it's super cute. Maybe with this poking out, this might be too long. Out of the cardigan. I actually think the cardigan being open with the skirt and the boots is way better. I wouldn't have thought this was born 2 years ago, but I'm not joking. All I wear when I go out is black and white. So I try and just like challenge myself a little bit beyond that. But I do think this is cute. I will bring it. I'm gonna be snacking on meaty eggs through this. I've realized I do not like the way flats look on me with skirts. Like, it's not cute. Maybe the flats I have are just really bad and unsupportive. They're honestly Zara. Like, I got these in London in the summer. I did not like this top with these pants because this is cream. And I don't know, I've done it in the past and I didn't mind. I think because I had a belt and it just created enough separation between them, but it's not cute right up top. So I put on this long sleeve from Gap, which is my favorite layering piece because this cardigan is a bit too cropped. This underneath, done up all the way with a bit of white poking out like this. And then with the black flats, it's super cute. This cardigan I thrifted, but it's from H&M. Beyond comfortability, like I just wouldn't really feel comfortable in a cropped thing like this with low rise. I think it just looks more interesting when it's longer. Proportionately, it just looks better with low rise. The pants aren't too long because sometimes that's a problem when I'm wearing flats. I think this is really cute, but again, it's a black and white outfit. And this is what I'm saying. It's so hard for me to steer away from this. When I'm going out, this is the Dolce & Gabbana top. I actually love it with these pants. I think because they also have silver stitching, it just works so well. This would be really cute with my camo jacket. The gray tones are pretty exact. And then I would do the nude bag. I'm not crazy with the black flats with this. Like, I would do my skate shoes, but again, I'm not wearing those out. I'm definitely gonna bring this top. I'm definitely gonna bring these pants. This jacket is one of my options. I love it, especially with this bag. So I just got this. I think this is so cute with these pants and with the flats too. I brought this sweater with me last time. I went to Copenhagen and Paris and I didn't end up wearing it. I don't like it over these pants, but I think with my maxi skirt, it could be cute, or with my beige pants. I don't know, but I'm really into this tunic length sweater. This could be really cute over my flat skirt, actually. Ooh, the way I styled this before when I was going to Paris was over a Burberry inspired kilt that I had. I still have it, but I think I'm gonna get rid of it because it's so high-waisted and it's not comfortable, so I didn't wear it. But this is super low rise. I don't know what this looks like. Honestly, I love this. Immediately I would wear this with my Uggs. Unfortunately, I'm not bringing my chestnut Uggs, but they match this bag perfectly, which would just tie it together. I'm gonna end this first portion of my styling for this trip because I honestly just feel kind of sick. I am celiac and I feel like I ate something gluten-wise. And it's not that my stomach hurts, I just feel so tired, which for me is crazy. Like, I never have low energy and I just wanna organize my bed, get rid of the clothes that I know I'm not bringing but are here for my video, and then I'm just gonna edit, and I'm going out tonight, so I have to like mentally prepare. I will probably talk to you guys on Sunday. I feel like hopefully I thrift some amazing things that I'm gonna be bringing with me and I can reimagine all of these outfits. It's a couple days later. I'm feeling very well rested and ready to get packing. Also, I leave in 2 nights, so today and tomorrow are my only days to really organize everything. I did go thrifting yesterday and I feel like that's really changed the game for me right now, because this item alone has now made me want to bring so many more things that I wasn't initially gonna bring. For example, do you know how cute this would be with my polka dot tube top and then my little bubble skirt and knee-high boots? I feel like this just, even for my black and white outfits, makes them more me, and I feel like now I want to bring so many more things. I also thrifted this cashmere sweater from Lord & Taylor. So perfect, and it's a cashmere version of this one. So I'm like, what do I do? I'm not bringing both? Not me making this part of my outfit. I also thrifted this, which I've been looking for top like this for so long. Silver with this white pocket, like a mesh athletic vibe, but honestly I just want to play my music and put my outfits on. So I actually hate this. I think because it's see-through, I'm gonna try on this cardigan and see if it's any better. I think also the length of that just doesn't flatter anything. I definitely prefer this cardigan. I think the problem is the pants. The creams don't match, but I don't know how I feel about having a black skirt. I'll try it on just to see. I don't hate this, but I'm not obsessed with it. And I feel like weather-wise, it's just not gonna work because I don't wanna wear tights with it. It's more of a spring dinner out with black ballet flats. I don't know if I would actually wear it though. Maybe the black maxi skirt. I actually do quite like it with the maxi skirt. I think it's just way more streamlined and simple because the top half is so much. I think it just works. This is a better view. I don't know, like it's so cute with the flats. If I saw it on someone else, I would love it, but I'm gonna look in the mirror. I am so happy I have not sold this tube top. I knew I needed to keep it for some reason. It looks like it's a drop waist dress. I think it's so cute. This is more of a summer moment. I'm gonna try on the bubble skirt. I literally think this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I also have a black cardigan I could try with too, actually. The only thing is, I feel like all of these shades of black are different, which I don't really like. I mean, honestly, it's still really cute. I also want to try it with this white shrug because the white on here is kind of faded. It might be too much of a contrast, but I'm obsessed with this, but I don't feel like I need to bring it. I just feel like this is more spring. I don't know what jacket I would wear and if I really need to bring this top. Then again, I'm already bringing these pants. I'm bringing this bag. Okay, as much as I wanted to bring this red top or even try styling it, honestly, I don't have any pants that I feel like would go with this or skirts. Everything I'm bringing is either black or has green in it, and I would not wear this with black pants. I'm gonna bring this t-shirt. This t-shirt with the Los Angeles Apparel gray yoga pants would be really cute and just a comfy, chill outfit. I always find myself wearing this Abercrombie tank top. I would definitely want to wear a bra with it, but the straps show, so I only wear it with this. Like, this is a package deal. I have to bring this bra now, which actually is a bit much, but whatever. Okay, so far I'm bringing 3 for 3. Like, what is going on? Tube top wise, I haven't worn these yet. They're brand new, but I do feel like I could bring one. I'm gonna bring this tank top purely for comfort. Since I'm bringing a black pajama set, I can do this top with the pants and it's gonna feel like a set and it's comfy. I think I will choose this over the Aritzia just super simple black tube top because this is longer as well. And I'm envisioning this with my bubble skirt. I like this top with my tan maxi skirt. I'll insert a photo actually of the fit that I would wear. Also, this top I've worn with the cream cardigan. It's just so booby, but it is tiny. So I could bring it and then just decide. And then I almost just feel like this needs to wait until the summer. I just got it, so I'm excited about it. With these pants, the same silver stitching. So far, I can remove this Aritzia tube top. I'm not gonna bring it. I'm also not gonna bring this one just because I have the white tank top version. If I'm being realistic, I don't need to bring this tank top. This is just not happening, honestly. Like, let's be honest with ourselves, not for this trip. So I'm gonna take all of these out. Also was debating doing this t-shirt just to have. Same vibe as this, like it's just nice to have. I honestly do feel like I have more clarity about just wardrobe staples that I have that I know I want to bring. For example, this white cami I just got from Aritzia. I'm definitely bringing this. I'm definitely bringing my cardigan. I'm definitely bringing this long sleeve to wear under the cardigan. For sure gonna bring this Aritzia mock neck long sleeve top. It's just perfect for dinner because obviously it's long sleeve, so it's very wearable and warm. And then it's really sexy because it ties in the back actually. This has been my favorite top recently from Los Angeles Apparel. All of this is black and white, oh my God. Including this Le Chateau t-shirt sweater vibe. I'm definitely bringing my Costa Blanca knit sweater. I'm also bringing my Ganni sweater. I almost love this with the bag too. The plaid with the weaving I think is really cute. I'm gonna start putting all the pants that I know I'm bringing into my pants packing cube starting with my American Apparel flare yoga pants. I'm also bringing these sweatpants. Oh my god, already I'm like, this is too much. These I would wear out. Skirt wise, I kind of already know I'm bringing my classic black maxi skirt as well as my midi length tartan skirt and then this maxi skirt. I also thrifted these pants yesterday, which are just like a classic white flare, although I think I'm gonna choose these white pants to bring over those. I also know I'm for sure gonna bring this bubble skirt from Aritzia.
Cause you know the shit I kick, pimp and keep my pockets thick. On you funky shady bitches, having you hoes clocking my riches.